Okay, so only the top is medical, right? So I don't want to find a doctor, so I go to this and I get the plan that I'm in now, right? This is just one plan. Okay, I'm at the end, yeah. So now if I go back, that was the only choice I had here, I guess on the benefits tab. Oh, except actions. Oh, view current enrollment. Okay, and that's the same thing I just did, right? Oh no. Okay, so now this is my current enrollment. Okay, now if I go back and I choose change my benefits, the only choice I get is change beneficiaries, which I don't want to do, right? There's no other choice here. I'm scrolling up and down. Okay, documents, benefit notices, A, D, and D, right? So I'm at a loss as to where I'm supposed to go. I even try here. Nope, there's nothing. So help me out here. Thank you.